Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 6 easy ways to make money online, and if you use this 6 way or one way you can earn a greater revenue from online. So let's jump into our main video and let's see what is the 6th way. So first, in our list, our first way, you can do freelancing. So what is freelancing? If you have a skill, particular skill that can be done remotely, such as writing, digital marketing, graphic design, or programming, or app development, or graphic, so you can offer your service as a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr or People Per Hour or Freelancer. Freelancing can be a great way to earn a consistent income and build a portfolio of work. So you can start freelancing and earn money from online. You can do online survey. So what is online survey? Many companies are willing to pay for market research, and online survey are a quick and easy way to provide your opinions and earn some extra cash. You can find many websites in online. They can provide online survey where you can join and earn money. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer paid service as well as other way to earn money online. This is the easy way for students. Next, selling products. You can sell your products, and these products are digital product. If you have a product to sell, you can set up an online store on website like Etsy or Amazon. You can also use social media platform like Instagram and Facebook or Twitter to sell products directly to customers. So that's easy to go your or sell on your customer. Next, affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission on sales made through your unique link. Many companies have affiliate programs, including Amazon, which offers a popular affiliate program. Next, online tutoring. You can do online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring service online through websites like Chegg or TutorMe. Online tutoring can be a flexible and lucrative way to earn money from home. Next, blogging. If you have a passion for writing and a niche topic you want to explore, starting a blog can be a great way to make money online through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Bloggers can earn a substantial income. Okay, so now the time to summarize this video. In this video, we learned about 6 ways to make money online. So first way, freelancing. You can do freelancing if you have a skill in particular topic. Next, online survey. You can join many online survey and earn money from survey. If you have products, digital product or physical product, you can selling products on online. You can use Etsy or Amazon or your social media platform. Next, affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission. And then online tutoring. You can do online tutoring if you have a expert in a particular topic. And then you can do blogging. If you have a passion to writing, then select a niche and then start write on blog. And then if you have a great visitor or audience, you can earn from AdSense. So that's it in today's video. See you to next video. Till then, take care.